Hey everyone, Morgan here. So a article popped up on one of my pregnancy apps. I only have one pregnancy app. So it tells me how many weeks I am and like what's happening every week and whatever. So I am 33 weeks pregnant, and I know this video is just not going to be very popular, but this is part of my everyday preparedness and preparedness for a baby and things like that. And I just wanted to kind of share my thoughts on putting together a hospital bag. Now, I've been through this process before. Okay, this is my second child, and I am, like I said, I'm 33 weeks pregnant. So here we go. I look nice and big at that angle, and so really, I have about 6 weeks left to come to full 40 weeks. And I just wanted to get that hospital bag out of the way because that's just the least of my worries, and I just want to get it out of the way, made. And there's one thing I actually can't find, but I'll tell you about that in a second. Now, I've gone through this, like I said, and when I was reading about what to pack in a bag for my very first pregnancy, they were like extra pillows and a robe, and you should get some magazines and books and music and just like 20 million things to add to this hospital bag. And I added a lot to that hospital bag, based on those suggestions. And I remember grabbing two things from that hospital bag. One was my iPhone charger, and the other one was clothes when I was discharged from the hospital. Okay, twice. It's not very much. And so I learned that I did not need a lot and to carry just essentials. Okay. My husband was there. I had other family that was there that could come and go, bring me food if I needed to, or, bring me whatever if I needed it. But of course, I don't want to just rely on other people, right? They feed you meals at hospitals, but while you're actually giving birth, you cannot snack. While you're actually like in labor, you cannot eat food just in case you have to have a C-section, for whatever complications, whatever happens, right? So I have a couple protein bars, a couple snacks for after labor, like in case I just get hungry at a certain time, nobody's there, I just want to, grab a snack or something. So I just have a couple little protein bars there, and then I have extra socks, and these are slip resistant socks. I actually wear these now because I play around with Kid Rogue a lot. And extra underwear in there. And then I have a going home shirt, going home pants. I'll still be basically needing maternity style, garments and things. That's just how it is when you leave the hospital. And so I also have a hygiene kit. Like I have extra, things to wipe my glasses. I have a little headband to keep the hair out. I also have a hairband and some clips. And then I have just general, and then I have some pads, chapstick, toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo, all that stuff, because last time, I have like nail clippers, lotion, stuff like that, because last time I was there 3 days. It was so annoying. I wanted to just leave like the day after. I was just like, get me out of here. I got my baby. Let's go. But I was there for 3 days. Ugh. But anyway, when I was in labor, I just wanted nothing to do with music or reading or anything. I had the TV on, and I was eating ice chips, and I was talking to my husband, and, we were just, people were in and out all the time. There just wasn't time to do anything, and nor did I feel like doing anything. This is not a vacation, okay? I'm not going to the hospital to, have a vacation. I'm going to the hospital to have a child. And when you're in labor, you're in pain. You're really distracted by this pain, right? And I didn't care about music. I liked the TV and the background of the TV, and that was it. And this time, Kid Rogue will also be there, not during the actual delivery process, but the time before. And, she'll be a little handful as well, with my husband, of course, and my mom will be coming in as well. So, there's just, Just some stuff that I just don't need, you know. One thing that I cannot find is the going home outfit for baby Rogue. So I wore this outfit when I was a baby, when I was leaving the hospital. Kid Rogue wore the outfit when she left the hospital, and I want baby Rogue to wear it as well, but I cannot find it, and it's stressing me out. I'll find it, but that's the only thing left to add to this hospital bag. But otherwise, it's good to go. I also have an iPhone charger in there as well because I used that. Anyway, I just wanted to share that. That's what I've been doing today. I was just been getting that together, thinking about the whole hospital and everything. You know, it is 33 weeks, you know, I mean, this time really flies. These last few weeks, I remember this time just flies. So I wanted to get that together, and later I am going to be showing some other ways that we're preparing for the baby outside of the hospital bag. So anyway, thank you all so much for watching Conquer Tomorrow by Preparing Today. Talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye.